How to fix live option missing on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, you want to open the TikTok app on your device, log into your account, then tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Now, you should find the option of live over here. If you do not find that option, then it might be that you do not meet the eligibility requirement. To go live on TikTok, you must be at least 18 years old and have 1,000 followers on your account. If you meet these requirements and still do not have the live option, then what you want to do is head over to Play Store. Here, you want to search for TikTok. Now, if you find the update button, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. If your problem is still not fixed, you want to head over to your profile and tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. From here, tap on the settings and privacy option. Now, scroll down and tap on free up space. Here, tap on clear for cache. Then tap on clear for download as well. If your problem is still not fixed, then the last thing you want to do is contact TikTok support. For that, on the settings page, find the option of report a problem. Then tap on the live option over here. Go ahead and tap on hosting live option. Then tap on need more help and it will land you to TikTok support. Here you want to describe the issue that you have, and the TikTok support will help you accordingly. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.